Good morning and welcome to my airspace. So, there's the 50 ducks, 44, and I've been collecting eggs since the 13th of March. And one of the ducks was not put into the pen, and we have imagined that she has been sitting on a clutch of eggs all this time. And this morning I looked out the window. So Muskie got out some time ago. Everybody else is up there. And I noticed just now, this morning, that the girl that's been sitting on a clutch of eggs has some little baby ducklings. They're brand new little ducklings. Look at them. Oh, my goodness sakes. They're so cute. It's okay, sweetheart. I'm not going to hurt you. I know you're hungry. We've been out of food for 2 days. No one has gone to get food. Hi, Mr. Muskie. The food's going to be brought soon. Everybody's hungry, although with the rain for the last couple days, these guys just dig in the dirt and eat whatever they eat. I don't know, how do you sift out food from mud? But I'm not a duck, so how would I know? Anyway. Go out and spend some time in nature. Perform a random act of kindness. Give yourself a hug. Give somebody else a hug. And tell someone I love you. I love you. Bye.